Doing a ride with Heidi and Sky this morning, just enjoying this spring air. It's a little bit late already, but we're having fun. There's some piggies today. Hello piggies! Don't know if you can hear, but I'm quite out of breath. It's a different thing to be fit for this. I'm not used to cycling. There we go. Going down Maple. Heidi and Sky, a bit of a speed freak. We're going about 34 kilometers an hour at the moment. Oh, here comes a bump. Okay, holding this thing in my hand, going over bumps, difficult. Just chilling. Bit of a better gear now. Bump. Oh, wobble. Okay, so as you can see, holding a camera in my hand, and no hands, Bob. Documenting some cycling this morning. Ah, wrong gear. Yeah. Going past Heidi. I'm going past Heidi. Woo! Leaving her behind. Okay, this is very difficult.
Yeah. Well deserved coffee after the ride.
Yeah.
Thank you, boys.